Welcome back to another video. So within Blender we can separate faces into two methods. So the first one, I will select the cube. Let me also enable screencast key over here. So I will select the cube. If I'm gonna press tab, I will go now to face selection, and if I want to only separate this, I can press on Y on the keyboard, and now I can go ahead and have this separated. If you're gonna take a look over here within the cube parametric tree, we're gonna see that this will be a mesh. So they are still not separated, but they are not linked together. If you want to further separate, for example, if I will select this, I will press P in order to do the separation by selection. We're gonna see that now this will be cube 001. And again, we can go ahead and have that moved. So keep in mind that this is the difference between those two separation types. So if, for example, I will select the top face and I will subdivide this, if I only want to separate this but maintain it within the same group, I can just press on Y. You're gonna see how the gradient of the selection will be changed. And now, if for example I will do a rotation, we're gonna see that only that face will rotate. If I will not press on I on the keyboard, we see the selection is like this. If I will try to rotate, everything will move around, all of the elements that are still linked together. So we see that those vertices over here are no longer linked. So it will be the same in this case. As you can see, that rotation will change this. So keep that in mind, that by pressing I on the keyboard, you can do that separate of the face. That means it will no longer be linked to the vertices. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.